I welcome all of you to this presentation where I would in very brief be explaining about my initiative, that is JEE Enlight. It is my attempt to provide affordable and quality education to all the IIT JEE aspirants. Do check out our website after this video, that is www.jeeenlight.com. This is me, Chetan Mishra. A lot of us already know each other well, but for the ones who don't, I'll talk a bit about myself. I really struggled to find a better picture, so let's somehow bear with this one. I'm a graduate from IIT Kharagpur. I had qualified IIT in 2010 with an All India rank of 793. I grew up in a small town called Madhepura, that is in North Bihar, and I got interested in preparing for IIT JEE because of a very funny and kiddish reason. When I was a kid, I heard that this exam is a very tough exam, and whosoever clears it will have their pictures everywhere in the newspapers and all. Everyone would be knowing them. So that's how I felt motivated towards this exam, and I decided that okay, this is what I wanted to do. Again, what got printed in the newspapers is a very funny story. I'll narrate it sometime. But yeah, that's how I got inclined towards preparing for IIT JEE. My journey as a teacher began in 2014, that is 6 years ago, when I had resigned from a decently paid job to pursue my real interest. Since then, I have been teaching and mentoring IIT JEE aspirants, and trust me, I have loved every bit of it. I have been involved in numerous success stories, and the students have gone on to become city, state, as well as zonal toppers. And they have been kind enough to say a lot of good things about me. I mean, I can't thank them enough. I put all of those in the testimonial segment on my website. Coming to the problems with the current IIT JEE mentoring system. That's everywhere. The first problem is that it is really very expensive. And if the student, like I was there 10 years ago, who has to move out to a different location, then you are nearly doubling the expenses. And I understand how much a financial burden can this add on a middle class family. The second issue is there are contents available on YouTube and web. A lot of them are free as well. A lot of them are really good, don't get me wrong. But many of them are not organized and reliable. You cannot trust it completely for your IIT JEE preparation, can you? I'll tell you one example where a very famous YouTube channel, mostly taking care of the doubts, had put plenty of incorrect content. I had mailed them regarding this, and as I was concerned, as a lot of people are watching that, so they are yet to reply to my mail, but thankfully they have removed a few of those videos. So I was really shocked to see how a channel of such stature can put in so much of incorrect content. There are many players who are actually providing online support to IIT JEE aspirants. But the problem is that they are not focused. They're expanding in all possible fields under the sun, maybe UPSC, CAT, excuse me, whatever, the banking, railway, normal school teaching, everywhere. So the problem arises that the focus required for IIT JEE is missing. Another issue is that some players who were initially in the offline business have started their online forums, but again, that because they are already handling a huge amount of students, so that personalized care is very negligible. That's what I have observed in these days. And the biggest problem which was there and will be there is that the quality education is not available in small towns and villages. Students need to move out of their homes in pursuit of quality education. Let me give you so people can argue that now digital, learning can go everywhere, and people do have access to internet. But again, many people lack that competitive environment or that academic environment at their homes. This is true in mostly the remote towns and the remote villages, that people, don't have such access like the people of Jamshedpur have. Again, that is a big challenge. And apart from that, internet connectivity is an issue at remote locations, or maybe the availability of separate gadgets. Like a father has got a mobile phone, and if the father goes out, then the student has to wait till the father returns. Yeah, this is true. This happens. So that infra and a sort of environment is missing in those small towns and villages. And yes, this I'll say with a lot of respect, with all due respect, I'll say that a large fraction of the educators and mentors in this IIT JEE, teaching profession do lack that X factor. By X factor, what I mean is, if you're learning, you can be taught a certain topic by everyone, but are you learning something extra that your competitor doesn't know? Are you learning something in a better way than your competitor? Are you learning something in such a way that can save your time during examination? It's a matter of minutes and seconds. So if you are able to have even a slight edge against your competitors, then you are bound to succeed. So that X factor in teaching methodology, in certain observations and certain ways of making you understand things, those give you that edge. So, but again, don't get me wrong, there are a lot of very good teachers I know. But again, this is something that I've observed overall. So what Jainlight has for you? Here you would find mentors who themselves have gone through this journey and aced it. Moreover, you would find them to have a lot of passion for teaching, along with adequate amount of experience. You would be given psychological support so that you can inculcate the right mindset for cracking this exam. Along with that, you would be receiving the right set of advices and strategies to maintain an edge over the others. Just see, I'm repeating this word edge again. We are here to listen to your issues, if you ever have any, excuse me, and try our level best to take care of that. Along with that, we'll take good care of your learning pace, and our biggest focus being on creating that interest in you. In all the toppers, what I have found to be in common is the interest for the process. Once you generate that interest for this process, miracles do happen, trust me. You would also get a chance to know the do's and don'ts of this process from your seniors who are presently in various IITs. I'll try to act as a link between you guys and them. And finally, I've already talked about this competitive edge, which is very important. This keeps you ahead of the others in the race. Where are we headed to? So, this is basically how are we different, or at least how are we trying to be different. So, we are in the process of developing a quality content for all of you, and once we are done with that, we'll expand across the country with the focus being on small towns and villages. I belong to one, so I know what are the limitations that the students over there face. And even in 21st century, I have seen parents hesitant to send their girl child out, even, no matter how good she is. This is not a very regular practice now, but this happens in small towns and villages. So, we're planning to develop our first center in Jamshedpur. Along with that, I'm planning for something like a study center. I'll probably make a separate video on this. in small towns and villages to help students to get access to quality education without being forced to leave their homes. These study centers would help them who basically lack proper infra and atmosphere at their homes. I'll very soon be accompanied with educators in other subjects who would be teaching you with the same interest and passion like I do. I'm happy to say that I have collaborated with a group of really good techies who will develop this basic looking website into an educational hub for IIT JEE. I have plans for such a huge database so that the students associated with JEE Enlight need not buy a single book for the preparation. And I have a lot of other features in my mind. I'll talk about them in some other video. So coming to courses, right now we are just offering physics for at least 1.5 months. So the course for class, the 2-year course is called Pristine. 22 means class 11th. So they're going to appear in IIT JEE in 2022. So I'm just launching part 1 of the course. This is only physics. And part 2 will be launched just after part 1 gets finished. And this course is focused on JEE Main and Advanced preparation. So please visit our website and click on courses. You'll get the entire detail of this, right? The next one is Pristine 21, the same 2-year course, but obviously we don't have 2 years left. Hence, whatever the syllabus remains will be covered in Pristine 21. Again, it's the same, mains and advanced, both preparation and practice also. This one is for 12th pass outs, Pinnacle. I'm yet to launch it. Actually, I'm alone handling, all of this. So let me see. I don't want to stress myself too much, or, that might affect, adversely affect the quality of teaching for those 2 batches. So, I'm not here to gather numbers. And this is interesting. I'm actually planning for a crash course. And this is actually very challenging, as the syllabus is very vast and covering anything between 1.5 or 2 hours, any particular chapter, is a huge challenge. So, yet I'll take up that and see how it turns out to be. I'll keep you guys updated. This will be updated in the courses section of our website. Yeah, this one is again interesting. Should you be scared of my teaching? A lot of people who have not studied from me do have this notion that I teach something really hi-fi. As I only used to handle, the top batch students. So should you be scared of really, I might teach you something that, might be a bouncer for you or something like that. So should you really be scared of my teaching? The answer is no. No way. Because a lot of you have already been my students. So this is not for them. They know from how basics I start. And my focus is on making the basics crystal clear. And once you understand the basics well, then I take the level up by the help of problems. So I'll give you different problems to solve. And don't blame me if I teach you something really complicated in a really simple manner. So my students know what I'm talking about. So how to reach us? We have our website, obviously, www.jeenlight.com. Along with that, a lot of people are very active on WhatsApp these days. So we have a number that is 62077-63734. This is our WhatsApp number. So you can just type a hi in this on this WhatsApp number. You'll get the necessary details from here. And this is a preferable mode of communication. Our team is really active there. And there is an email ID as well, contact@jeenlight.com. You can pick any. WhatsApp is preferable. We are in the process of doing something really special. Please stay tuned. Thank you.